Look at you, Richard, starting the new season strong. A toilet and a cutaway.
I'm so glad you noticed. I thought we were talking about something that is a nightmare, overflowing toilets. It wrecks your day, it wrecks the house, it's terrible. And I thought if we could get people a little more comfortable with what's going on inside the toilet, it might change behaviors.
Okay.
So you've got a tank and you've got a bowl. In the tank, there is 2 gallons of water. Here's 1 gallon, here's the other. So when you hit that tank lever, that water comes down here through this flush rim. Here represents the bowl. And 2 things happen. One is water comes here and it creates a siphon. It pushes water up here. But also the weight of the water coming into this bowl also helps push it up through the trapway.
This is like 16 pounds.
Correct. Okay? And so now, you'll notice also that this trapway gets smaller. Do you see how it gets smaller right here? Okay? So let's create a stoppage. Okay, this could be toilet paper, this could be solid waste, it could be a variety of things.
The ease with which you just stick your hand.
It's just water, Kevin. This is for educational reasons. This is education.
Unsettling.
So we hit the toilet, flush, okay?
So the water's coming out of the tank
Correct.
into the bowl, but now
Right.
it can't evacuate the
Right.
bowl.
So now they come along and it's filled up to here, and what do? They're going to just hit that lever.
That's when you know you have a teenager.
Right, I know that teenage time, and this is what he would do. He would go like that, and he'd say, I can't believe this, Dad. I can't believe this. So the lesson is, if it's already filled, you just don't go for a full flush because it's 2 more gallons, right?
It's the worst feeling. That is the worst feeling right there.
So you come along and somebody still thinks they can do it again. No, they hit the flush, right? And now that water's gone down through the first floor, down to the basement, it's gone down through floor upon floor. Okay? So now sometimes I want to let you know though, sometimes when you add a little bit more water, it actually will indeed clear it.
This is heavy.
Right, it's heavy, and so say you see this trapway, so say there's too much toilet paper or something right here, sometimes it's just enough.
And it always happens at least once.
That's right.
To encourage you to do
that again. Yeah.
Exactly.
So then all of a sudden it might clear and you say you're okay. But there are other times when it gets down and it gets impacted, you have no other choice but to try and mechanically clear it. So everybody knows a plunger.
Yeah.
It's often misused. What people do, they come like this and they get sealed onto the opening right here at the trapway, and they'll say, I'm going to just push as hard as I can.
Yeah. Give it everything you got.
And so what happens is you actually can impact and make that tighter and harder. So what you want to do is actually go just the opposite way. Get a seal right here, get some suction on it, and pull the other way, hoping that you'll release it back up here and then thereby let it go down.
So you're pulling it from the narrow to something wider.
That's right.
Which might do the trick.
That's right.
Yeah.
All right?
Oh, boy.
So the other thing is, if it's just solid waste, it often will be clear with a plunger, or we have some other tools that can clear it. But sometimes you'll have a toilet. We've got stories upon stories that will have a toilet that'll act fine for 6 months, and then it won't.
Just gets clogged mysteriously, like a little ghost toilet.
2 stories.
What?
Cold cream container.
Okay.
Gets flushed down the toilet. The trapway gets smaller. What does it do? It gets stuck this way.
Oh, yeah.
We come with the plunger, we clear it, and it goes like this, and it stays like this for 6 months.
Water comes through, no clog.
Then it goes like this.
Goes back.
So too with women's bracelet.
Drives you
here,
crazy.
And it goes here. The only way you fix that? Take the toilet out, smash it into a million pieces, find the cold cream, and get them a new toilet.
We're going to have to talk about your morning routine. Cold cream?
Well, it wasn't me. I didn't do it. We only fixed it.
All right. So starting off the season with a nightmare.
Yeah. Here, let me flush it for you.
Don't do that, please. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.